$27,753 made in just 4 days. That's not me, by the way. A friend of mine and his partner made this kind of money. So let me show you. This is Warrior Plus. It's a digital marketing affiliate network platform. If you have a digital product, you can list the product here. You can invite your affiliates to sign up as an affiliate of your product and promote it with their affiliate link. When they make a sale, they earn a commission from you. That's super simple, and that is called affiliate marketing. But this product right here has made 1,000 plus sales in just 3 days. I'm going to show you how they made this money. And I can show you because I have been one of the top affiliates and vendors on this platform. And alhamdulillah, we were able to make 8 figures selling digital products. But before that, I want to highlight on what the product is, why it is being sold, why it is so hot and selling like hotcake, and how the customers of this product can actually get what they bought it for. So let's read it. Its name is Imagio AI. It is a combo of 15 premium AI design tools. So they combine the power of platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, Firefly, and 15 other platforms, total 15 platforms. The long list of benefits and features of this platform. And it takes only 3 steps. You get access, you create, and you grab your creation and do what you want to do with it. It's design tool. And these are the things you can do with this design tool. You can make videos, you can make photos, e-com stores, products, mobile app designs, ebook papers, presentations, report, resumes, etc., etc. You know what design means. Now, here is something interesting. I take live trainings of these product customers. And when I ask them, why did they buy the product? They give me confusing answers like, I want to produce, I want high production, I want to help my clients, I want to use it in my book, I want to be successful. You know, those crazy stuff, nothing specific. So I tell them, can I share my thoughts? I have a 3-word answer. My answer is, I want money. That's why I invest in anything. Whether I keep it, I use it, I don't use it, I leave it, whatever. If I decide to buy anything, that's based on only one decision. And that decision is a 3-word decision. I want money. And they immediately get excited and say, yes, 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 I want money too. Money, money, money. But when they buy this, they don't remember. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. So in a moment, I will show you what's inside this application, and I will also show you how to make money. But in case you are interested, and you should be interested, because AI tools are not free. AI tools are not even cheap. AI tools are expensive. They charge you $20, $40, $60 per month for basic use. And you will need multiple of them in order to run a business. But when these kinds of products are launched on places like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, they come with a one-time price. It's a deal. They offer a deal. So currently the price is only $14. I mean, if you have any interest to use any kind of graphics, image type of work, then I believe you should get it. And you can get it from the link below this video. That will be my affiliate link. If you buy from there, I will get a commission, probably 50% commission. Trust me, that's not a lot of money considering the time I spend on making these videos, trying to help you guys, and considering what I'm about to show you. And if you implement that, how much money you can potentially make. I'll give you an example. These guys are the member of my 99% done for you program. 99% means literally 99%. They do 1% of the job, we do rest of the 99%, and they make commissions like this, using AI, using automation, and using done for you. So can I just safely say, I know how to make money and I know how to help people make money. So my time is valuable. All right, before I forget, if you want to know what they are doing, how they're making this kind of money, how we run our digital marketing business with AI, automation, and help people like these 9 to 5ers and business owners make this kind of money. And we can inshallah potentially help you too. And you are interested, then there is a link right here, a website link, moshbarry.com. Go there or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio, depending on where you're watching this video from, and watch the free training video. A training video will tell you everything: how we run our business, what is our business, how we help these people, how these people make money, what is AI, what is automation, what is 99% done for you, and whether it is the right fit, the best fit for you or not. The worst case scenario is that you will hate me for offering a paid program at the end of the video. The best case scenario is that you will find that program useful, valuable, you join the program, and you love it, you make money. And the worst case scenario, that is the worst, you will learn everything about our business transparently and you won't join the program because you feel that, yeah, you are too good and you can do it all by yourself. It is the worst because we will miss you. And if you think you can do it all by yourself, you are probably delusional. So you are not losing anything anyway by watching the free training. And after watching the free training, if you have any question, ask me on Instagram. I will again transparently answer all your questions. Sounds good? Go watch the free training. Link in the description, in the bio, or just go to moshbarry.com and that's it. Okay guys, I just logged into the program and it looks good. Beautiful. So there are templates, generated images, and there is a voice generator as well. Cool. Let's check the Imagio templates. Oh, by the way, the training video is right here. So it's not hidden. There is no another training page that you have to click and go. You can watch this 7 minutes long simple training video from here. Now the problem is, who watch training videos, right? Okay, great. The categories are already created right out of the gate. I want to create a portrait. Oh, my bad. These are not categories. This is just one template. This is another template. It's another template. Okay, it's good. Not a problem. I would just go to generated images. And guys, you must be bored because you are here to learn about how to make money online. And yes, I will show you money. But before that, I want to show you the application as well. The application that was able to generate $27,753 in just 4 days. Now, you might be asking, where did I get these numbers from? You see, this application did 1,000 plus sales, which means approximately, from my experience, if it converts at 18%, which is amazing, like 18 out of 100 people purchased it. It's amazing. The visitor value is $3.31, which means if 1,000 people visit this website, then from the purchases, $3,310 will be generated. And that's what's been happening since the launch. Now the numbers, the $27,000 came from here. $25.23 is the average sale value. So here's the calculator. If their sales is approximately 1,100 and the average sale value is $25.23, then it's $27,753. And that's also a conservative number. In this conversion, this number can even be 1,500. Very unlikely, by the way, but possible. If it's 1,500 sales, then they made $37,845 in just 4 days. Not bad at all. And all these products did similar numbers. So now you know what is possible, right? So I have done my research on this application because I have only 3-word desire when I buy something. That is, I want money. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT how to make money with this application. And I got detailed answer. There are 10 ways initially that you can make money using this application. Not only that, I got a complete table with the name of money making method, description of the method, why it works, rating out of 5, $100 per day potential, and whether it's beginner friendly or not. And there is a note by AI as well. So now I know 10 different ways. Very good. And there are only 3 categories of making money. I mean, these 10 ways of making money belong to any of the 3 categories. One is showing, one is doing, and one is watching. The showing method is you make stuff once and show it off. Platforms sell it for you while you chill. For example, ebook covers and mock-ups. You upload covers for sale and people buy what they like. Another one is selling designs on marketplaces. So you showcase designs and people buy them. For example, graphicreaver.net. Now you want to know how to make money from there? Pretty simple. Ask ChatGPT how to make money as a seller from this site. And ChatGPT will do the research on your behalf, create an Envato account, and then show you every single step you need in order to be able to sell your graphics work. The doing method is basically working for clients as a freelancer or as an agency. And the watching method is interesting. You see, now you're watching me. Usually people who watch pays. For example, if you watch a movie, you pay for the ticket or you pay Netflix. But in our method, you make money when you watch. Interesting? I'll show you an example. Go to my TikTok account, Instagram account, YouTube account, or wherever you go. You'll find me doing reaction videos. Now, I want to show you what is possible with reaction videos. Let's take this one as an example. I'm particularly showing you this video because this guy, you see that guy, little guy, also makes reaction videos. However, let's watch this video together. What do you think?
What do you do for a living?
I sell jets.
No way.
He sells jets, not cars, Lambos, Rolls Royce. He sells jets.
Hey.
Yeah, sure do. That's my showroom right there. You want to come in and see?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Hey, come in.
Hey, Steve.
How you doing, all right?
All right.
Come on in, let's show you the showroom. This is a favorite saying of mine. Time is money. Buy a jet.
Sounds good to me. I don't have a jet yet, but inshallah, I will have one. The reason I'm showing you this video, I will show you 3 things from this man, which is important for every business owner if you want to double your income.
Whoa, no way.
Here's our showroom.
So you see what's going on. I'm actually watching this guy's video and I'm reacting on it. Of course, I'm not just reacting like a dumb reaction, not a funny reaction, not mindless, stupid reaction. I'm actually adding value. And down the line, I will be saying some valuable stuff. I will add additional value and people will see me through this video as an authority, as a knowledgeable person, as someone to pay attention to. And in this method, without creating my own video, I was able to generate a lot of traffic, customers, and made a lot of money. For example, this particular video, just one video, got me 6,400 new followers. 6,400 new followers only from one video. And that's not my highest viewed video. It's not the most popular video. In fact, the most popular video, which is also a reaction video, is this one, 1.3 million views. And in this video, I am not actually sharing any value. I'm not adding anything. These messages you see or me talking, it's pre-recorded. My team members put this video on my template video. It's a template reaction, nothing else. So if you click view analytics, this one video got me 20,000 new followers. 20,000 new followers. I can show you tons of results like this. So we get views, followers, traffic, leads, sales just by watching other people's videos and sometimes talk on the camera. Hello, I like it. Hello, I didn't like it. No, not that garbage type, mindless type. I add some value most of the times, but you understand, it's mostly watching other people's content. In fact, even on YouTube, even the long videos, most of my long videos are some kind of reaction video and we call it rant video. However, if you want to know more about rant videos, then go and watch this free training. I will show you step by step how we make these rant videos using AI. And that is the watching method of making money. Now we want to quickly move forward and see how many other platforms we can use to make money with this application. Oh, there are 10 others. Of course, there are more, but ChatGPT initially gave me 10. One of them is Fiverr. With Fiverr, you basically use the doing method. The doing method means you work for your clients, they pay you when you deliver the work, and that's how you make money. If clients like your work, they pay you and they also hire you again. Maybe they will refer 1 or 2 more clients, but that's it. In this case, if you are charging $40 or let's say you charge $100 for a standard package, you need at least 5 clients to make $500 per day. While with the watching method, you can make this kind of money in 4 days without doing that kind of work. What? Where am I going? Are you confused now? Okay, listen, here's the deal. This money came from selling a product, which is an AI design creation software. What is this software? It is a digital product. Once this product is made, an associated funnel is made, then affiliates send traffic to this product and funnel, and those traffic purchase the software, this money is made. So why is it related to watching? Because by watching videos and other people's content, we drive traffic just like affiliates. And when somebody make a purchase, we earn 50% commission for sale. And that is why digital marketing is called the watching method of making money. However, what do you think is the job of an affiliate? So look at me. If you consider me as an affiliate to this program, and I already told you that my affiliate link is in the description. If you buy from there, I will earn 50% commission. Then what am I actually doing here as an affiliate in order to make money? I'm simply making content like this, creating interest or channeling your interest into to the offer I'm promoting, which is the link in the description. And if you find it interesting, you will go there and buy it. So I am doing nothing but making content and driving traffic. So driving traffic is the only job of an affiliate, and they can do it using this watching method. Does that make sense a little bit? You might want to see how much money we made as an affiliate and how much our affiliates made money from us. So I will go to the vendor section of one of my accounts, then go to affiliate section, and I will click my affiliate stats. Then I will select all time. This is a live page. You can see these are real people on the left hand side. I'm hiding their names for privacy. Let me hide the names completely. Okay, now it's good. Look at the numbers. Total revenue in this account, $4.4 million generated by affiliates. And this affiliate made $476,000. Another one, $215,968 in affiliate commission. Another affiliate made $97,000, another $81,000, another $124,000, $61,000, $117,000, and I can go on and on. We basically paid over $3 million to over 2,000 affiliates as affiliate commission. So the watching method, the affiliate marketing method is quite amazing. Okay, now I have a question. There are so many websites where you can sell your work or display your service and make money by showing and doing. What is the main reason people publish their book, their work, their graphics in those platforms instead of launching on their own website or membership site? The reason is traffic. These platforms already have a lot of buyers. Fiverr has more than 40 million monthly visitors. Graphic River has approximately 2 million visitors per month. The second reason is trust. People trust these platforms. And the third is no hosting needed, no domain needed, and no website needed. Sounds good, right? So my next question is, if it is so easy to make money, why isn't everyone a millionaire yet? The answer is this. One of them is shiny object syndrome. People jump from one thing to another without paying attention and stay consistent on one thing. They don't have patience. Most of them don't take any action. Fear of failure, lack of focus, and they wait for perfect. Yay! Perfect. Wanting everything to be just right. They don't learn marketing. What does it mean? No eyes, no sales. I'm confused now because people use these websites for instant traffic. They have instant traffic. If they have instant traffic, then why do you need additional eyes or marketing? So I want to ask AI. You said people use platforms like Fiverr, like Graphic River to display and showcase their work in order to make sales because those platforms have instant existing traffic. Then why did you say this in the table titled, if it's so easy, why isn't everyone a millionaire? And I will copy this and paste it here. Now see what ChatGPT is saying? Excellent catch. And you are asking exactly like a pro should. I'm pro now. They do it because these platforms already have traffic. It's totally correct. Fiverr, Etsy, Creative Market, etc. brings built-in passive traffic. You don't have to run ads or build your own website. That's a huge shortcut. But, hello? What's the but then? No eyes, no sales still applies because these platforms are crowded. You are not the only cookie in the jar. Even on Fiverr, if your gig doesn't show up on search results, if your thumbnails aren't attractive, if your reviews aren't there yet, if you don't know how to stand out, and guess what? That built-in traffic is seeing someone else's gig and not yours. Okay, I see. The bottom line, platforms give you access to traffic, but if you don't learn how to get noticed, the traffic walks right past you. That's why most people give up and say, oh, it didn't work. I tried everything, but it didn't work. Nothing works. Everything is a scam. Dude, you and your brain are scam. You can learn just by asking ChatGPT. Where are you? And when I say that there is a 99% done for you solution, where we teach you, we coach you, we give you everything that we use. We guide you, we stay with you, we answer your questions, then you don't pay attention. Oh. Really? Now ChatGPT is asking, would you like a small guide or table showing how to stand out and get noticed on these platforms? I would say, yeah, show me how to stand out and get noticed. Here we go. Eye-catching title. Here's why most people get no sales. No eye-catching title. Bad or no thumbnail. No keywords. Zero reviews. No traffic outside the platform. No CTA or call to action. No consistency. No target audience defined. Then I would say this. Can you explain how these guys are doing what you wrote there? And let ChatGPT browse, take the Fiverr listing, analyze, and tell me what's inside. Look at this. Look at their gig title. I will design flyers, posters, banners perfectly. And ChatGPT clearly explained why it worked. High quality and branded thumbnails, SEO optimized keywords, social proof and credibility. Now you know how to do it, Habibi, and now you know what you have been missing. Now you know whether you should actually try it, do it or not, or whether you should grab your own digital product or become an affiliate marketer and do those watching methods and other methods to drive your own traffic and make passive income. Well, I personally like the watching method, the affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and it works for me. It has been working for my affiliates, for my peers, for my students. And I strongly believe digital marketing, affiliate marketing, together with AI and automation, and of course our 99% done for you system works perfectly for 9 to 5 hours when you have only 1 or 2 hours to try something per day after your day job. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If yes, give me a like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And to learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you in the next one.